to go apple picking!
We're going apple picking!
I know! We're heading to Wisconsin to pick some delicious apples! Yummy!
I want from the apple. I was. Hi guys! I'm going to apple picking. So fun! Here's one time. What's going on?
Woohoo! How many apples are we going to pick today?
1, 2, 3.
3 only? How about you?
Yeah.
3? So that's 6. That's too small.
I got 2.
2? Very nice. 2. Okay, Thunder's 2. Clementine is how many?
They're not fitting in my pocket.
Oh yeah, it will not fit in your pocket. It's too small. We're so ready to go apple picking!
Hi guys.
Okay, Thunder, Clementine, say cheese! Cheese!
Very cute. Oh, let's see the horse. Go the horse. That's cute.
Don't say donkey. Okay.
Come on, Clementine. Oh, that's a nice one, baby. Is it heavy? Maybe it's just oh! Maybe a smaller one, baby. No? Oh, that one's old though. Go ride in the thing.
I want to ride it.
Who else wants to ride?
We're trying to.
Okay, hold that one, that's our plastic.
Okay.
Oh.
So happy.
I know. Only it fits you guys, not for the big people.
Yeah.
Those are pretty pumpkins. You guys are heavy. Are you okay with it, baby? I feel like it's more work on you.
Okay, go sit. Go down, guys. Go down.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
It's like you're going uphill.
Yeah, put it in the side.
Oh, here. Your short ride is over.
Yeah.
You're too heavy.
There's apple here.
I know.
Hi.
Pick one and then you start.
Here, it says here. Look at all this. Look at this nice apple. This one's very red. Here. This is very red. Look, guys. Give the bag to Auntie Gian, Thunder.
How do you know if it's right?
Yeah, so she can start picking.
How about you? I don't have one.
You guys can.
Yeah, we can share here.
You can taste it. You taste it.
Rosie!
I'm gonna dare.
Use your shirt, baby. You can taste it actually, you just have to wipe it.
This is the one sip.
Thunder, go. Use your strong arms. Grab it, Babu. Grab the whatever you can reach. There's the short one. Oh, okay. You want me to help you, Babu? Let's make sure. Thunder, look. I will give it to you. Oh, perfect.
Put it in the bag.
Put it in the bag.
Yeah.
Some of them aren't so great. Oh. You're gonna try to wipe it, yeah. Oh. Sour? What's a sour one? Babu, come here. Daddy found it. It's this one. You know what? Food for combo.
I like this one.
You haven't found any yet?
No. It looks like they are the skin's not smooth, like
Yeah.
almost overripe.
I was thinking that, yeah. Oh, Babu, let me see your bag.
Almost heavy.
It's heavy? Yeah, something. Maybe from the bugs. Let's see your bag, Babu.
Yeah, almost.
That's a lot. Wow. You have a ton. Are you gonna eat all, Thunder? Yeah? Oh, Ivan likes gala. Thick south side of trees. Maybe it means it's the... I feel like this one. No? Oh, they're bland. Gala. You gotta find the perfect red. Thunder, can you help carry that heavy bag? You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hooray!
Grandma is picking for you. Thunder is the bag holder. That's cute. Ah! There's bees! Oh, it's okay, Bubble. He fell. It's okay, Bubble. It's heavy. That's soiled. Okay. Clementine. Are you picking? Clementine has a new bestie. Aww.
That one out with Gian.
Yeah, Auntie. Yeah. Go help Auntie Gian. She found the perfect apple. Oh.
I want to pull it.
Thunder wants to pull. Okay, let's go
Choose
pull.
a perfect apple too.
The one with no bugs.
I want to pull it.
Yeah, you're a winner. Let's go find something they will pull. What apple should Babu pull? Grandma's gonna help you find. It's more apples over there. Oh, he's trying to. He wants to pick an apple.
Okay, go pick apple. Thunder. Go, 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 go.
Oh, here.
Okay. Good job.
Jump, jump. Yay! He's heavy. Okay, Babu, you good now? I think it's okay now.
There's still another bag that is empty.
We're not even close to 10 pounds, yeah? Is that a good one, baby?
This one, I've never tasted it.
Let me see. Like it.
Oh! Okay, good.
Come on,
Thank you, Babu.
I got it.
We have a lot of healthy use here. Okay, Babu's up. Okay, Babu's up next. Let me find it, Babu. Okay, Babu, I'm gonna find a good one for you to pull. Where is she?
Here, Thunder. Here.
Thunder, Grandma found it.
Here, Thunder, take it. Here.
Pull it, Babu. 1, 2, 3.
One.
You got it, Ma?
Another one, Thunder.
Another one.
It's a good one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's wet?
Yeah, but
Is it okay? Okay.
here, Thunder.
Here, here, let me help.
Here, Thunder.
So pull it, pull it.
Pull it, Babu.
I want to pull
Good?
again.
Oh, she wants to pull again.
Okay.
We'll find you a perfect one.
Yeah, it's the nectar.
Okay, we'll find. She wants to find a perfect one.
I only know what the flavor. Autumn crisp.
Oh, try autumn crisp. See this. Oh, it's a nice color too. A little more paler.
Smells good, Thunder.
Babu, ready? Yay!
Oh my God, it has a
Oh,
thing.
like it goes. Ew! There's a wormhole. No,
There's
drop
a
it.
worm.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it, Babu. Ew.
Here, Thunder.
That one. That one is
Take a
better.
picture. Yes, take one.
Ah,
The big ones.
those are good ones. Autumn crisp. Let me get that one. I'll make some.
More.
Oh, wait, Tana's gonna pick? Oh, wow. Teamwork. Oh, use your strength. Oh, use your power. Yay.
Check it out, Thunder.
Hi, Clementine. Oh, you got a lot of apples. Let me. Oh,
It dropped. It dropped. Throw it away.
is it a good one?
Drop it. You should drop it. It's dirty, Clementine. Throw it
But I
away.
said new one. Oh, bring the tree down.
Pull it. Pull.
Oh,
Yay! How about my turn? How about your turn?
Thunder's turn.
And then put it in the 𝐇𝐎𝐏𝐄 bag.
Oh, she needs more.
There's
Here.
two.
Use your hand. Use your
This
hand.
one and this one.
Got it, Thunder. You're strong. There. Pull, yay!
Keep it in the bag.
One more. This might go there.
Hunter told me. That's what? Hunter tell me. You want to die like.
Apple picking.
No, that one, Babu, that one. In front of you. This one.
Go.
In front of you.
Okay, sige.
Okay, that one. Go.
This one. And then you can look at this one.
Go grab it.
Pull.
Let me see. Smell.
You can
Mama.
just.
Yummy. Thunder is driving the tractor.
What's that under?
Joy.
Up and up.
Under, look. Cheese. Say cheese. Clementine, look.